Here's a hands-on look at the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in the new color Satin Black that was just revealed at the Apple event on September 9th. Now, a lot of people, including me, were totally convinced that Apple would reveal an Apple Watch Ultra 3 alongside the Apple Watch Series 10, but instead we got this dark new finish. Again, it's called Satin Black, and honestly, it's pretty epic. It's wrapped around the whole watch, from the chassis to the digital crown and side button, and even the backside. Only the action button gets to keep its iconic orange style. Overall, I think it looks very cool, and the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in Satin Black comes for $799, so basically double the Apple Watch Series 10 starting price. But that is just how much the Apple Watch Ultra has always cost. Though the rest of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 stays the same, with a Grade 5 aerospace titanium build and a 49mm case size, Apple also revealed a number of new Apple Watch bands to accompany the Ultra 2 with suitably darker hues. This includes the new titanium Milanese loop, available matched in black or natural if you have the standard titanium Ultra watch, and it's secured by a parachute-style buckle so it won't budge while you're playing sports. As someone who wears the standard magnetic Milanese loop with their Apple Watch Ultra, I'm super pumped to get in this new band, although it does cost $200. Let me know what you think about the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in Satin Black. Is it something that would convince you to buy an Apple Watch Ultra? Do you already have one and wish you waited for this color? Are hands-on with the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro, as well as the Apple Watch Series 10, are live on this channel now, so be sure to go check those out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.